As an employee, are you feeling lonely and disconnected? Well, according to new research commissioned by Oracle, 80% of employees say they're not satisfied with employer support. And get this, 72% of the U.S. workforce thinks robots and artificial intelligence can support their careers better than humans. Well, joining us now with more about that is Dan Schawbel. He is a New York Times bestselling author and careers expert. Good morning, Dan.
So happy to be here with you.
Well, we appreciate your time and kind of like picking the pieces about this study because I want to hear more about it. I mentioned some of the key findings, but what did you find exactly in this research?
We've been working with Oracle every year on an AI at Work annual study, and this is the biggest sample size this year to date, 14,600 workers in 13 countries. And last year we found that people rely more on technology over humans when it comes to their mental health. And this year they're doing the same, but when it comes to their career, because over 70% of people feel stuck personally and professionally, even though we're in a good economy. And they're expecting employers to rise up and do more and listen to their needs. And so I think that this reliance of technology, we're going to see it more and more. And what we look for is the relationship between humans and technology in the workplace, but also outside the workplace, because personal and professional lives are very intertwined. And one of the interesting findings is that 85% of people want technology to help define their future. So again, like we're looking for technology to help us when it comes to our health. We're also looking for technology to help us when making career decisions. And we looked at what robots can do better than humans and what humans can do better than robots, because there is going to be this partnership as we move forward. And so robots can give us access to information whenever we need it and provide it in an unbiased way, whereas humans can look beyond a resume and identify, someone's personality and connect that to a job, but also offer advice based on their personal real-life experience. And so again, it's like getting access to information quickly in a non-biased way, and then using a mentor or a sponsor or a friend to kind of help them understand what their strengths and weaknesses are. That can really be a great combination when we think about building your career, and companies need to be able to provide more of this technology to facilitate this.
Well, I could see then why robots may be more appealing than us humans, but with this technology, I mean, that's how we're talking to you. That's why we need it so much. And so what do you feel are some of those major changes that you foresee in the U.S. workforce in the future?
We're going to be relying on technology way more for every aspect of our life. I mean, look at the past 2 years. With so many people working remote, we have had to reinvent our homes to be able to access technology and collaborate and project manage and do just about everything, because people are didn't go out as much, they didn't travel as much, and they're going to a physical office less. So you're going to see a more dispersed workplace. You're going to see one where workers, especially in our study, found that they are now redefining success and really promoting work-life balance and flexibility. And that word flexibility, a lot of people think that's just remote work, but flexibility is the core to how we work and live, because work and life are so blended now.
And that's what you want. You want that flexibility. That's what we kind of learned throughout the pandemic. You want to have that time at home too. So where can we learn for more information all about all of these ideas and what you found from this research?
You can go to oracle.com, into the newsroom, and read the white paper and the press release.
Well, Dan, we appreciate your time this morning, coming to us from Boston this morning. So we appreciate you taking out the time and giving us the lowdown about this.
Thank you so much.
All right, if you are interested in learning more about this study and other trends in the workforce, just visit the website you mentioned, oracle.com. We'll follow the links on our website as well at lasvegasmorningblend.com.